everyone, welcome back. It has been a while since I filmed a video. I've just been so busy, but I wanted to take the time to share this unboxing with you guys. I'm really excited about it. It's actually a double unboxing, but the first item is not a true unboxing. It's more of a reveal because I did open it already, but I haven't shared it on my channel or on Instagram yet. So I'm going to share both items. One is a reveal and the other is a true unboxing that the item just arrived. So the first item that I'm going to share is an item I purchased from Luxe Lover, and I wanted to show you what it came with because I thought it was a really nice touch. So she included this little hand sanitizer with her information on it, and I will link her Instagram name in the description box. I'm sure you guys all know about her. She's a great personal shopper that I've purchased from several times. So this item was from her, and then a nice little thank you card. And then here's the item. It came very nicely packaged. This was brand new from a boutique that she sourced this item. I wasn't able to get it here in Toronto. But like I said, I already opened it, so that's why it's not all wrapped nicely. So you can see it came with all of the stuff it should come with. And you can see that it's an SLG to reveal. So this is a card holder. It is in the So Black reissue style, and this is to match my mini, my So Black mini reissue that I have in the chevron. I think they're both from 20A, if I'm not mistaken. 20A or 20B, I can't remember. Anyway, this matches my bag. So you guys know I love having matching sets, and I really wanted this style because it's nice and compact, and for the mini reissue, it's perfect. So it's just the typical flat card holder, and it is, let me just take this out. It is a 30 series. And yeah, so I was really happy to be able to find it. It was really hard to find this, so thank you so much again, Luxe Lover, for sourcing this for me. Okay, so now this one I'm really excited about. I have not seen it in person. My SA just shipped it to me just because I'm trying to avoid going places that I don't need to go right now for obvious reasons. So this is the bag. It came just like it would if I had gone to the store to pick it up myself. Here is my receipt, which I will share the price after I open it. Okay. I'm really excited to see this in person. This is a new style. So can you guess what it, oh, I just undid the ribbon when I pulled on it. Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay. So it was, the ribbon was tied and with the camellia, but I untied it prematurely. Okay, that's okay. So here is the box. So yes, this is a new style this season, and so you might be able to guess what it is, or sorry, not a new style, a new size of this style. So that might make it easier to guess. All right, let's open it up. Oh, I haven't done an unboxing like this in a while. Okay, so here is the dust bag, and here's the booklet and everything, so you can probably maybe tell what it is based on the shape. To reveal, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so here is the new size extra mini or super mini cocoa handle. That's what people have been calling it. And this is in the turquoise with the turquoise lacquered hardware. And the color is coming up a little more more blue than it is in person. So it's a little more turquoise in person than it seems to be appearing on camera. It looks a little more blue, but it is actually a turquoise. It's a really pretty color actually. And the size is really, really cute. Okay, so let me open this up. So it is, so for the lacquered ones, the ones with the hardware that is like the tone-on-tone hardware, it is a magnetic closure. The ones that have the regular hardware are a turn lock. And I think that is to prevent the hardware from getting chipped, which makes sense to me. I know some people don't like the magnetic closure, but it doesn't bother me at all. Okay, so here's the strap. And the strap for this one is not detachable. I believe the one for the extra mini that has the regular hardware, the strap is detachable. Okay, so let me take out the stuffing. It is really, really cute. Okay, so the interior is also turquoise fabric. It is made in Italy. I'm just gonna take out the authenticity card. So this is a 30 series. And oh my gosh, it's really, really cute. I really wanted to try one of these in this size, and when my SA offered me this one, I could not resist because I just love turquoise, and it's really, really cute. I will definitely do a comparison. You know what? Let me just show you really quickly it next to my mini Coco handle. Let me grab that. Just to give you an idea, I will do a video with a comparison of all three sizes that I have. But just quickly to give you an idea, look how tiny it is. It is really, really tiny and cute. I love the size, it's so cute. Okay, and you can see the difference, like this is like an iridescent turquoise. It's a huge difference, so they're not similar at all in terms of color. Okay, so I want to keep this short. I will post mod shots on Instagram because I'm not sure how this will sit on my frame. I've got to try it on and see how long the chain is and everything, but I will definitely do a review and a comparison as soon as I can. Anyway, I almost forgot to share the price. The price, I know the price for this one is a little more because of the lacquered hardware, just like the So Black bags are always a little bit more. So in Canadian dollars, it was $4,825 plus tax, so it came to $5,452. Yeah, that seems like a lot for such a tiny bag, but I mean, Chanel prices have skyrocketed, so I guess it is on par with everything else that they're doing right now. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this short. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. I know some people aren't a fan of the magnetic closure, but I do appreciate that this will prevent this part from chipping as easily because you're not constantly going to be knocking this part into the CC part. I don't know. I don't think it bothers me. I think it makes it easy to open and close because it's magnetic. So yeah, it really doesn't bother me, but yeah, I'm curious to hear what you guys think of this bag. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.